Second and third graders, social studies time, and I wanted to walk you through the assignment for today. This is your slide that you're seeing. You've clicked on the video, so this is the video that you're actually watching. And what the learning goal is for today is we will understand that money plays a very important role in our world. It's the same learning goal as yesterday. We're just diving a little deeper into it. And to be successful, I can name the components that make up the economic community. Ooh, so hopefully you're asking yourself, what's an economic community? What are you talking about? So what we're going to do today is you're watching this video giving you instructions. Then you're going to close that out and watch the video on Please Please Bees. This is actually a fun, cute story, but it's teaching us about the economic community. Once you've watched that, please click on your Google Classroom link. Then you'll find this assignment. So I've given you a lot of information and some questions here. The example of an economic community, oops, back up. There we go. So here's the video again about Please Please Bees if you needed to watch it again. But I wanted to explain to you what an economic community is. We all have it around us. It's comprised of, or let's look at this, the components of an economic community are citizens. Are you a citizen? Yes, I am. All of our teachers are, your parents are. Consumers. Consumers are people that have money. That's what this is in that person's hand when they buy something. So if I go to the grocery store and buy my groceries and pay them money, am I a consumer? You bet I am. Now, the next component of the economic community is the producer of goods. I drew a birdhouse. So if I made birdhouses, I'm a producer. I've produced, I've made something. Our farmers are producers. Um, Anybody that makes something is a producer. And then kind of a producer also is actually, we're going to leave that there. I'm going to go on to producer of services. Car wash. They're offering a service to wash my car. What if I go to Jiffy Lube? They're offering a service to change my oil because I don't know how to do that myself. So anyone that offers a service, raise your hand if you're going to mow lawns this summer. I don't know if you're old enough, second graders, maybe third graders with some help, could go around to the neighbors and mow their lawn and they pay you. You're providing a service. Also, part of the economic community is that we pay taxes. I pay taxes when I buy my groceries. I pay taxes out of my paycheck when I get that. And all of that money goes to the government and then they properly use it to help support the community. And we'll go into that later in another lesson. And then personal money is part of that economic community. So I have a job. Maybe you have chores that you earn money. So there's all different ways to earn money. So these boys and girls are the components of a community, economic community. Economic means financial. So back to this slide. So I'm giving you an example of, so this is the example of economic community in my life. I'm a citizen, I'm a consumer, the producer of goods, if I go to King Soopers, the farmers, if I'm buying apples, producer of services, I mentioned Jiffy Lube if I go there for an oil change, and who pays taxes? Miss Doyle when I purchase something, and then I earn money. How I earn money, I'm a teacher. So below this, fill in the blanks for your economic community in your family / neighborhood. I want you to think about who's a citizen, a consumer. Of the people that you know, focus on your family, you know them the best. Number two, that's actually number one. I should put number one there. Number two, what role did the bear play in the economic community that the bees and the bear live in? This is not the easiest question. I want you to think about it. So we're going to switch back to Were they citizens? The bees a consumer, a producer of goods. Honey is a goods. So think about that. And number three, what role did the bees? Oh, I'm so sorry. I read that wrong. So this is the bear. What role did the bear play and what role did the bees play? That's what you're going to ask yourself and fill in, and then go back to this video if you're wondering, okay, what's the consumer? What's the producer? Producer makes something that can be sold. The producer of services offers a service. I could deliver food. We have Grubhub, we have all sorts of people that are running around delivering food for those people that are staying safe and staying home inside but need something to eat. All right, boys and girls, so that's your assignment for today. You're going to start back here with this video. You're going to play the video. It's a cute story, Bees, Bees, Please. Click on your link, and then you're going to follow the steps for the student slide. I hope you have a wonderful day learning about the economic community in your neighborhood, in your area. Bye-bye.